Hey guys, I'm Devansh from the Youth Project and I'm going to tell you about how the Youth Project's enrolled students have to get onboarded onto our training platform. So I will give you a quick introduction about our training platform which we use. Its name is Microsoft Teams. We use Microsoft Teams over other softwares available in the market because we have experienced that we can have a more personalized conversation, a more personalized touch with our students when we used Teams over Zoom or WebEx, anything else available in the market. So that's why we decided to have a product like Microsoft Teams, and in this whole video I'm going to take you through the whole process of how you have to register yourself onto our platform, and in case you face any problem with the registration process, with the onboarding process, you can just write in the comment box or you can directly call us on our official number specified in the description below. So without much further ado, let's start. If you have opted for any of the Youth Project's course or workshop, then you have given the email ID to us. You have submitted the email ID somewhere in the registration process. And on that particular email ID, you must have received an email from the name Gaurav Chauhan. He is one of the member of the Youth Project and you must have received a mail from this name. If you haven't received the mail or you are not able to find the mail, either you can contact us or first you should check your spam folder, which is present over here, down here, spam. Okay. The chances are that you have got your email in the primary section only. You just have to open this email, and in this email you will see that you have received two credentials, that is your user ID and your temporary password. Now what you have to do is you just have to open an incognito window in your Chrome browser. Remember that you have to use the Chrome browser only because this software, the Teams, the Microsoft Teams, works best on the Chrome browser. That's why we recommend that you use the Chrome browser only. Here on the top right, you will see an option to open the new incognito window. You have to click it and the incognito window is going to open. Here in the URL box, you have to simply type office.com and you will be redirected to the Microsoft Office official website. Now you just have to click on the sign in button, and here on the sign in page you will see that it is asking for your email, phone or Skype. You don't have to provide your phone number or Skype ID, you just have to provide your email ID. Now which email ID you have to provide? The email ID which has been sent to you on your registered email, you have to provide that email ID. Okay, so here in the mail which I have received, the user ID is the same email ID which I need to copy. From here I will copy the email ID and will go to that page and will paste it, and now we will hit next. Be careful guys, the email ID, your email ID will look like this only. Your name typecommunity.onmicrosoft.com. Now, when it asks you to enter your password, you have you have to go to your email and you have to check what your password is. Guys, please be careful if you are copy pasting your password. Otherwise, the best practice that we recommend is you carefully type your password. Okay, so I will carefully type my password, that is uppercase T, lowercase a, m, 44553. Let's do it. Uppercase T, a, m, 44553 and hit the sign in button. After hitting the sign in button, you will see that it is asking you to reset your password, and it must happen with each one of you. So the temporary password which we have provided is not going to be your password for the training period, but you have to set your own password. For that, you have to write your temporary password in the current password section, in the current password text box, which is over here. And I will do the same. I will type my current password very carefully, TAM44553. Now you can add any password of your liking in your new password as your new password, and again in the confirm password you have to add the same thing. So I am going to add my password. And after that I will just click sign in. Remember that your confirm password and your password must be same. After hitting sign in button, it will take me inside. But beware guys, there is a very important point which you need to follow and be very careful at this step. So here you will see that it is asking for some more information, and there are three options provided, that is skip for now, use different account and learn more. Guys, be very careful that you have to select skip for now option. Okay, please take a note of this, that you have to click on the skip for now option only. Let's click on that. As soon as you click on skip for now, you will be redirected to the welcome page, on which you will see multiple products of Microsoft like OneDrive, Word and whatnot. So finally you must see this screen on your successful logging in process. Here you are seeing multiple apps like Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, SharePoint, etc. Sway, Teams. Now, as I told you that we are going to use Microsoft Teams throughout your training. So you just have to click on this Teams application. Let's do that. Some of you or all of you may receive this pop-up again, more information required, and again you have to select skip for now. Please beware. As you hit skip for now, you would be redirected to your particular group. So I opted for the Python training and I am redirected. I am now into the Python section in the Python group. Let's say just close it. Let's say that you enrolled for full stack JavaScript course and you are seeing Python over here. You are by mistake added to the wrong group. So what you have to do is, in this scenario, you don't have to panic. Either you can give us a call on the number given in the description box, or else you just have to go to this chat section, the chat over here, and you have to click on that chat. You have to search Gaurav, Gaurav. You will see Gaurav Chauhan, mentor. Okay, his designation is mentor, and you will see Gaurav.Chauhan as his username. So you have to hit this particular Gaurav Chauhan and not anyone else. Okay, so here you will click on Gaurav Chauhan and you will hit up, just say got it, and you will hit up a message that, hey, I am added onto the wrong group. I was supposed to be on full stack development and I am currently added to Python group. My email is devansh.srivastava94 @gmail.com. Just, and guys, turn on your notification for the period of training, like you have 7-day training or 10-day training. So for that time you just turn on this notification section, and now you have just to send this email, and here you will see that the message has been sent to Gaurav, and now he will act upon it and will resolve your problem as soon as possible. So even if you are added to the wrong group by mistake, here if you want to see which group you are added, you have to just go onto the Teams tab over here in the left side, left panel, and you will see the name of the group on which you are added. So I hope I have made each and every point very clear to you, and you will have a very good experience over this platform. And during our starting sessions, we will tell you about how this platform exactly works, how this file works, class notebook, assignments and all, and hopefully see you there. And till then, take care and thank you.